Hi guys, welcome to Unlock SAP. Today we are going to discuss a new intuitive where we are discussing about difference between breakpoint and break username functionalities. What is the meaning of this one? If I am taking this one program, for example, how will you reach a debugging screen, guys? Either session breakpoint slash h, or we have a one more keyword called a breakpoint keyword. Now, let's take example. You cannot add a session breakpoint or slash h. What I will do, I will add this breakpoint keyword and I need to make sure activate a program with these changes. Now, the disadvantage of this breakpoint keyword, if I forgot to delete it, what will happen? It will go to debugging screen in my program, guys. And what happens? Suppose same program I am executing in any other user also. Okay. What happened if I am executing here in another user also? If I click on this one processing, for them also, it will go to the debugging screen, guys. Now, okay, for users you will not get any conflict, guys. If I forgot to delete it, I'm sending the same program development to quality to production server. 1% chance, 1% is also very heavy in our production, guys. That in a production, it will raise a debugging screen. That means it will stop your business process and it will rose for the client. On that case, we have to make sure delete this one, guys. But sometimes when we are doing a lengthy programs, we'll forgot to delete the code, guys, that breakpoint keyword. That's why SAP introduced this new keyword called break user name. That means whatever this one, suppose my user login name is Khadir. That means if I am executing a program only, then only it will go to the debugging screen. How to do that one, guys? For this one, I have to go to my restart my program. I'm going to change it. Instead of this breakpoint keyword, what is my username, guys? My username is, if I change this one, my username is Khadir, guys. Here I have added this one name keyword, break Khadir. And activate whatever the username we have to provide, guys, in this case. Break Khadir. Means if this user only executed, you will go to the respective debugging screen. Observe here, I am going back. I have this program, guys, go back. I have login. Where is my user login, guys? You can check that my user details. I have login into the system. Now, here I am clicking on the processing execute. I don't know what, did I have that break Khadir or I don't know, guys. Just I am executing. Because there is, I have a keyword called break Khadir. That what happened, guys, for my user, I came into the debugging screen. Now, same thing I am giving for some other user, guys. This is some other user. Now, for them, I am executing. I am not coming to the debugging screen, guys. This is the short trick you can do when you are not able to add this / session breakpoint. You can go with a break user name. But remember one point, guys, in a production server, we don't have a authorization to create and change. Like the same way, we don't have the debugging access also. That means in a production, we can display only, guys. That's why there is very chances are very rare, but we have to be very careful. The 1% chances also. On that case, not to add a breakpoint keyword, work with a break username keywords, guys. For this type of tips, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.